Also today is the age of stealth fighters. The position of the large number of non-stealth aircraft is still difficult to replace. The combination of these two aircraft to create new combat capabilities is being researched and developed by many countries. For China, in the near future, it is not J-11 fighters or J-20 stealth fighters, but the J-16 will be the backbone of the Chinese Air Force and Navy. The J-16 multirole strike fighter is now considered the latest 4.5 generation fighter, which can fill the existing firepower gap between the current Chinese 4th and 5th generation fighters. J-16 is considered as the key card to coordinate with J-20 to deal with other 5th generation fighters in the region. The J-16 is equipped with an active electronically scanned array radar, can carry two types of air-to-air missiles, and can also destroy stealth fighters. At present, China's aircraft production complexes are speeding up the production of J-16 multirole fighters to hand over to the Chinese Air Force and Navy. J-16 is a two-seat multirole fighter jet manufactured by Shenyang Aircraft Corporation. It is believed to be a copy of the Su-30 fighter that China imported from Russia. In the late 1990s, Russia agreed to sell Su-27 production line to China for development into J-11. Then, in the early 2000s, China imported Su-30 MKK fighters from Russia. That helped Chinese engineers complete the project to develop a twin-seat domestic fighter called the J-16. The J-16 was introduced from 2012 to 2013, but the People's Liberation Army Air Force did not provide further information about the fighters until 2017. During the 90th anniversary parade of the People's Liberation Army in August 2017, J-16 has suddenly appeared parading with other fighters at the Zhuhai military training base in North China's Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region. In appearance, it is difficult to distinguish between Su-30 MKK and J-16. The J-16 has a typical slender legs of the flanker family. The wings blend into the fuselage at the leading edge extension, essentially a cross between a square wing and a cropped delta. The rear of the aircraft is a combination of twin vertical tail fins and two horizontal planes. The wing body arrangement provides the strength needed to carry heavy loads, along with the twin engine configuration that provides the necessary power and survivability needed for a high-performance fighter. The twin engines are aspirated through two rectangular intakes under the fuselage near the windows. This is an identification feature of all Sukhoi aircraft. In the design of J-16, composite materials are widely used to increase durability and reduce weight. Pilots sit in a two-seat cockpit with great wheels on all sides. The bubble canopy is located behind the pointed nose to blend into the overall aerodynamic design of the aircraft. The overall dimensions of the J-16 include a length of 21.9 meters, a wingspan of 14.7 meters, and a height of 6.36 meters. The empty weight is 17.7 tons, while the maximum takeoff weight of 35 tons. It is equipped with two Shenyang WS-10B afterburning turbofan engines that provide 96 kN drive thrust each and 145 kN with afterburner. The WS-10B is currently China's most advanced jet engine. J-16 can reach a maximum speed of Mach 2.4, the operating range of 3,000 km. The service ceiling is 20,000 meters, while the rate of climb reaches 325 meters per second. Although not designed for stealth, the J-16 is believed to have a certain degree of stealth due to its special coating. According to a Chinese official, the gray paint coating around the body of the J-16 fighter jet made it invisible to the naked eye or radar. However, Western analysts are skeptical about the stealth capability of the J-16, arguing that this is only an exaggerated statement about the feature of the new paint on this fighter. making it only considered a near-stealth fighter. What makes China proud of J-16 is that it has been equipped with the latest generation active electronically scanned array radar, which helps to occupy a significant advantage over fighters still using passive electronically scanned array radar, such as Su-35S or Su-30 MKI. With AESA, J-16 is capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously at longer distances with high accuracy. Most impressive is the weapon configuration that the J-16 can carry. Based on the revealed images, the J-16 is equipped with two latest Chinese air-to-air missiles, the PL-10 and the PL-15, both of which are also equipped on the J-20. This is the most important point, marking that J-16 is China's most powerful multirole combat capability aircraft, second only to the J-20. The J-16 can also be equipped with a range of air-to-surface missiles of the YJ missile system and various types of laser-guided missiles and satellite-guided bombs. China's Northern Industry Company has also launched the J-16 takeoff support system to make it work on aircraft carriers, thereby increasing its threat. Compared to the Russian Su-35, the J-16 has long-range maneuverability and carrying capacity similar to the Su-35, so it can be said that the J-16 is a Chinese Su-35 version. Chinese media has mentioned that a J-16D version is being developed, which is described as having the same fighting power as EA-18G Growler, the world's most powerful electronic suppression fighter, currently in use by the US Air Force. The cost of building the J-20 stealth fighter is too expensive, difficult to meet the needs of less payroll, and comprehensive modernization of the Chinese Air Force. The J-16 is believed to be a key to fill the gap between the country's 4th and 5th generation fighters. My video of Shenyang J-16 ends here. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again.